peeps, it's Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're on question 5.6 from the 2017 IEB Maths Lit Paper 1. This question is reading and interpreting data from a graph. And as you can see, this is the graph we're going to have to interpret. It says the following graph is taken from a paper called Africa 2040, where scientists consider all factors and predicts future occurrences. The graph shows the amount of food production and food importing per day for Africa that will change. So it will be our food production and import. So you can see this line over here. So from here to here is going to be up to almost 5 trillion, because it's in trillions of kilocalories per day, and then the domestic is just above 2. So in 5.6.1 it says the graph shows that in 2006, so this first point, there were above 2 trillion kilocalories, so that's kilocalories, of domestic food produced per day in Africa. And a trillion is a million. So it says there are 1,000 calories in a kilocalorie. Okay. So now we need to write the number 2 trillion kilocalories in calories without using the word trillion. So for 5.6.1, we need to write the 2 trillion in calories. So they said a trillion, so 1 trillion is a million. So this is equal to, so a million, we know that 1 million has 6 zeros. So a million has 6 millions. There's 6 zeros, but a million will have 12 zeros. So it will be another 6 zeros. Okay, so that's a million. So this is how you write out a trillion. Now, so therefore, let's convert this. So 2 kilocalories will equal 2,000 calories, because they've told us that a kilocalorie is 1,000 calories. So we multiply 2 by 1,000. So then therefore, I guess our answer is 2,000, okay, multiplied by a trillion. So it's multiplied by 1 with 12 zeros. It's a big number. So this is going to equal, so you can put this on your calculator, but it might not fit. So when we multiply, we need to basically just add another 3 zeros to the equation. So the first to the number, the first digits is going to be 1 times 2. So we know it's going to remain 2. And then it's going to be these 12 zeros plus another 3 zeros. So it's going to be in total 15 zeros. So it's going to be 2 with 15 zeros. So that's 6, 9, 12, 15. And this you can also can be written as 2 times 10 to the power of 15. So when it's to the power of 15, that's how many zeros there are. But the answer given over here is acceptable, or the answer given over here is acceptable. Okay, the next question. If an adult requires approximately 2,000 calories per day to maintain a healthy weight, calculate how many adults are being fed per day by the 2 trillion kilocalories. So 5.6.2 to find out how much this will be, we need to take the 2 trillion calories and divide it by the 2,000 calories per day that is used. So again, we need to rewrite this number, 2 trillion kilocalories. So it's going to equal 2 with 15 zeros. It's 12, another 3. So, and then we need to divide this by the 2,000. So when we divide by 2,000, the 2's are going to cancel and leave us with 1 and 1. And then these 3 zeros will cancel with those 3 zeros. So we're going to be left with 1 followed by 12 zeros, which equals, so as I said, 1 followed by 12 zeros. And we know that a number followed by 12 zeros is a trillion, so this will equal 1 trillion people. And then it says in the next question, use the graph to estimate to the nearest trillion the domestic food production in 2040. So as you can see in this graph, so that's 2036, the 2040 will be at about here because it goes up in about 5 of here. The domestic part is the part colored in black, and if we read off this, so at the year 2040, if we draw a line through there, it comes to at just above 1, but it says estimate to the nearest 1 trillion. So if we read off the graph here, it's going to be 1 trillion kilo calories. So for 5.6.3, as I said, the answer is 1 trillion kilo calories. And that is the final answer. Before I go, I just want to give a special thanks to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.